emoji that they have available, that's all that you can use. Alright, so let's say for entertainment, let's just go for... Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can change your space icon. So in the past we've gone over some of the other things about our browser, such as how to change the color of the theme of the browser itself, of the user interface, how you can add spaces, how you can add tabs, how you can add bookmarks. So there's a lot about Arc browser that is amazingly new to a lot of us, and it's perfectly understandable because the UI in this browser is different. But what if I tell you that you can change the space icon for your Arc browser spaces? And with that, I think your browsing experience will be much more colorful and much more immersive. I would say it will be more organized because you won't be having to go over millions of spaces that you've created. You'll just find the correct icon and then you'll know that that's the space that you're using. Alright, so let's say we're here, and if we look down here on the bottom left of our screen, we'll see that only one of our spaces, the unknown spaces, which is the default space of the Arc browser website, when you install it, there will always be the unknown space. But for the other spaces that we have created on our own, such as entertainment, work-related, and everything else, we don't really see any icon. But how do we change that? So let's say you want to change the icon for the entertainment. All we need to do is to right click here on the left side of the left bar on the screen, and then we'll see the change space icon. You just click on it, and then you can choose whatever emoji that you can change your space icon into. So as of right now, you can only change your space icon into an emoji. There's no feature into adding a photo yet or your own custom icon. Whatever emoji that they have available, that's all that you can use. Alright, so let's say for entertainment, let's just go for type of entertainment as well, or a movie. And then I'm just gonna choose the movie camera one, and as you can see, we have now a new icon on the bottom left side of our screen, and now we'll know which one is for entertainment. Let's say for the work related one, let's do a notes, and as you can see, this icon for this one has also been changed. And that's it. It is as easy as that. That is how you can change your space icon on Arc browser. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.